Magic-y, oh can't you see? Adding magic to words is so easy. With a silent touch you make a change. In the spelling game you rearrange. Magic-y, you work your spell, changing short vowels oh so well. From cat to cape and kit to kite. With your magic words safe flight. With the wave of your wand you work your charm, turning hop to hope with your silent arm. Cut becomes cute, bit becomes bite. With your magic words shine bright. Magic-y, you work your spell, changing short vowels oh so well. From cat to cape and kit to kite. With your magic words safe flight. You add your magic to the end, making new words a spelling friend. With your silent presence you make us see the magic of words with your E. Magic-y, you work your spell, changing short vowels oh so well. From cap to cape and kit to kite. With your magic words safe flight. So let's celebrate Magic-y. Let's give a cheer for the words it changes far and near. With a silent power, words come alive in the world of spelling. It thrives.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in our next
See you
video.
again soon.
Bye bye.